Well, last summer, organizers and protesters were vocal about the Black Lives Matter movement in Omaha. Activists told 3 News Now reporter Alyssa Curtis there was more determination than ever to take to the streets.
You feel like you've been betrayed, and I'm here to tell you, whatever help I will.
Say Black Lives Matter. You could do that right now.
Black Lives Matter.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Last year, protesters in Omaha demanded the community recognize that Black Lives Matter.
We knew that this couldn't go on any longer. We knew that we had to do something and enforce our political leaders to just do the basic thing, the thing that you would think they would already do, but we just had to come together and enforce them.
Amid protests around the city and at City Hall, local Black Lives Matter organizers challenged elected officials. Their main request: cut the police budget.
There was actually an amendment to take $2 million from the police budget and put it towards community programs and mental health services that obviously the mayor vetoed, right? But we lined up, we went in there, we testified, and we demanded for what the people wanted.
They called elected officials' reaction ignorant.
The mayor laughed in protesters' face when she presented her budget to the city hall. And to see that from our elected officials here in our community is again angering and nerve-wracking.
Now, a year later, organizers still don't believe their request for a more inclusive community has been met.
Hasn't been really much of a change. It's just been met with more moderation, more stalling from our city government.
While Black Lives Matter organizers plan to continue to demand change from local leaders, they've also taken it upon themselves to create the change. They're providing mutual aid like food and clothing to Black communities.
Politics, with the system we have, is not going to liberate us completely by any means. So that's why we're going into the community and asking them directly what they think.
Reporting in Omaha, Alyssa Curtis, 3 News Now.